Hello students, in previous class we completed exercise 1 related to triangles. Now we will start the exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2 first question. What is the first question here? Show that in a isosceles triangle, a triangle is given to you. Isosceles triangle. What is that triangle? Isosceles triangle is given to you. Isosceles triangle. What is the name of that isosceles triangle? Isosceles means what is the meaning? Any two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal in a triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay, AB side, AC side equal. They already given the diagram. Okay, like this given. Okay, isosceles triangle. I have ABC, where AB equal to AC, AB side, AC side equal, and they are bisector of angle B and C. This is the bisector of angle B. Bisector means what is the meaning? The angle divided into equal half. Angle divided into equal half. Equal half means this angle and this angle both will be equal. What is the name of this angle? For example, writing here this name. What is the name of this angle? Angle ABO. ABO. What is the name of this angle? CBO. CBO. Similarly, C also bisector only. And C also bisector. What is the name of the angle? ACO or OCA. ACO. Vertex should be middle. What is the name of this angle? BCO. 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 These angles are bisecting angles. That means these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Okay, by these bisecting angles, you join at O. You intersect at O. Then join A to O. But after join these two, O is formed here. By the later A to O, we have to join. Then what we have to prove? Show that OB equal to OC. OB equal to OC. First question we have to prove. OB equal to OC. Second question, AO is bisector of angle A. AO is bisector of angle A. That is the second question. AO is bisector of angle. We will discuss the first question. Later, second question we will discuss. First question, if you want to discuss means, what is given here? Angle B equal to angle C. What is given in isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle ABC. In isosceles triangle ABC, angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. Angle B is divided into how many parts? Two parts. Angle A is divided into two parts. That one we have to. Angle B instead of sum of these two right. ABO plus CBO equal. Similarly, angle C also divided into two parts. Angle C we can write as sum of these two. ACO plus BCO. One thing remember, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. These are bisectors we drawn here. మనం ఏ డ్రా చేసాం? బైసెక్టర్ డ్రా చేసాం. బైసెక్టర్ డ్రా చేసామంటే ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి, ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి, ఇక్కడ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయి. అయితే మనకి ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చూపించాలి? OB ఈక్వల్ టు OC అని చూపించాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ OB ఈక్వల్ టు OC అని చూపించాలి. చూపించాలంటే ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని చూపించాలి. ఓకే, మనకి బేస్ యాంగిల్ ఏదైనా ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ లో బేస్ ఈక్వల్ అనుకోండి, ఈ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతుంది బేస్ యాంగిల్స్. ఒకవేళ బేస్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అనుకోండి, సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయితే బేస్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, బేస్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయితే సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. దట్ ప్రాపర్టీ యు హావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఐసోసెలెస్ ట్రయాంగిల్. సో మనం ఏం చేద్దాం? ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పాలి. అంటే ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ చెప్పాం కదా. అంటే ఏబిఓ బదులు సిబిఓ రాయొచ్చు కదా. సిబిఓ రాదు, ఏబిఓ బదులు సిబిఓ రాదు. బికాజ్ దో ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. A CBO, ABO, CBO equal. Okay, CBO equal. For example, here person, इधर वाले 9th class friends हैं. Okay, इधर वो 9th class friends है. 9th class friends ना तो इधर ఎవరైనా సరే 9th class friends ఒకరు పిలవండి అన్న. కాల్ ఏమన్నా అది 9th student అని. అంటే ఏ పిలవచ్చు బి పిలవచ్చు. బికాజ్ రెండు ఈక్వల్ కదా, ఈక్వల్ క్లాస్ కదా. అలానే ఇక్కడ ABO CBO both are equal. ఈక్వల్ అంటే దీని బదులు ఇది చెప్పొచ్చు, దీని బదులు ఇది చెప్పొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? నాకు ఈ CBO అనేది ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. CBO తీసుకున్నాను. సిమిలర్లీ ఇక్కడ దీని బదులు ACO బదులు BCO రాస్తున్నాను. BCO plus BCO. ये गुर्तुंచుకోవాలి ABO equal to CBO and ACO equal to BCO. These are equal. Okay. Now we will write that one. Now CBO both are same. 1 plus 1. Here no numerator. That is taken 1. Here no numerator. That is taken 1. That means 2 CBO, 2 BCO. Here also same only. 2 will cancel here. CBO, BCO. Okay, what is happening here? BCO equal. What are the angles are? Those are found on BC. Base angles are equal. Here base angles are equal. Here base angles are equal. So base angles are equal in triangle BOC. So OB equal to OC. Proved. OB equal to OC is proved. Base angles are equal means already I told you. Base angles are equal means sides are equal. Sides are equal means base angles are equal. That is the first question answer. Now we will go for the second question. Say while going for the second question, we have to remember these two angles are equal. Okay, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. By comparing, don't confuse. Okay, these two angles are equal. We proved that one. These two angles are equal. These two angles are already equal. We know. These two angles also equal. Then what happened for these two? ABO, CBO. What happened? Those also equal. So now we will go for the second question. In triangle, which triangle have to compare? That one you have to recognize. మనం ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ కంపేర్ చేయాలో మనకు తెలియకపోతే చేయడం కష్టం. ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఏ కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాము, మనం ఏం చూపించాలి? ఏఓ బైసెక్ట్ ఏ అన్నాడు. ఏఓ అనేది యాంగిల్ ఏని బైసెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, ఇది ఈక్వల్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది చూపించాలి. అంటే ఈ రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ రిలేటెడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ అవసరం లేదు మనకి. ఈ రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఏంటి? రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ నేమ్స్ ఏఓబి, ఏఓసి, ఏఓసి. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏఓబి, triangle AOC. These two triangles you have to compare. Now compare AOB, AOC triangles you have to compare. Okay, already given AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC given in diagram only. AB, the symbol meant to be what is the meaning of this symbol? Those having equal length. AB equal to AC given. Next, if you take A with these two, AOB, AOC, which letters are common here? A, O. That means AO is the common side. AO equal to AO. Common side. AO equal to AO. Next, these two angles are equal. ABO, ACO. Angle ABO, ACO. From 1. ఎలా చెప్పాను ఇది? ఫ్రమ్ 1 సొల్యూషన్ చెప్పాను. ఏబిఓ యాంగిల్ ఏసీఓ యాంగిల్ ఈక్వల్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి సైడ్ యాంగిల్. దీస్ ఆర్ కాంగ్రుయెంట్. దట్ మీన్స్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏఓబి ఈజ్ కాంగ్రుయెంట్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏఓసి. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏఓబి కాంగ్రుయెంట్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏఓసి. By which property? Side angle. Two sides of angle. SAS criteria. SAS congruence. అయితే మనం ఏం చూపించాలి మనకి? These are congruent lines. By CPCT what we can say? These two angles equal. These two angles will be equal. By so ఇక్కడ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ పేరు చెప్పాలి. ఇక్కడ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ పేరు ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఫార్మ్ అవుతుంది BAO. ఇక్కడ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ పేరు CAO. BAO, CAO both will be equal by CPC. Because ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ రెండు కూడా కాంగ్రుయెంట్ లైన్స్ కదా, అందుకని ఏం చెప్పాలి మనకి? BAO equal to CAO by CPCT. CPCT అంటే ఏం చెప్పున్నాను? corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. 6 angle AC. This is the solution. Okay, we go further next to second question. Second question, do your own. I will explain how we can how to compare that comparison. Follow, do your own. Otherwise, I will explain. Second one, in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to, this is a perpendicular symbol, perpendicular bisector of BC, perpendicular bisector of BC, show that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. They are given on triangle, very easy comparison only. Okay, already we discussed this model. ABC triangle, they are given AD perpendicular to BC. Now we will learn the question once after we will explain that one. What is the question? In triangle ABC is a triangle. AD perpendicular bisector of, perpendicular means 90. AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC means this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees will be formed. Here 90 degrees will be formed. AD perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector. What is the meaning of bisector? That will be equally make a half. That means these two angles will be equal. Perpendicular bisector, that is. Okay, equally half. And now what we have to do? In which AB equal to AC. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector means what is the angle formed here? CAD. What is the name of this angle here? BAD. These are the perpendicular bisectors. By drawing perpendicular bisector means these are also equally divided. Now we have to compare angles. Which angles we have to compare? Which triangles we have to compare? If you observe here, we have to show this is isosceles triangle. Which is isosceles? ABC isosceles triangle project. ABC and isosceles triangle project and AB side to AC side equal to this అయిపోతున్నాను. చూపిస్తే isosceles triangle అయిపోతుంది. AB side AC side ఈక్వల్ చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ కంపేర్ చేయాలి. కంపేర్ చేద్దాం చూడండి. ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ given AD perpendicular bisector of BC, perpendicular bisector of BC, AD perpendicular bisector of BC. Then what happened here? Two triangles formed here. What are the two triangles? ADB. Next AC, ADC. These two triangles are to compare. Now compare AD is common set for these two triangles. ADB, ADC. In these two corresponding parts are equal. Which are the corresponding? We are saying corresponding parts are equally hard to say. Now we have to say here see AD is common side. AD equal to AD common side. AD equal to AD. Next, these two are angles, bisect angles. BAD equal to CAD. Given. Next, here 90 degrees formed here. What is the name of this angle? ADB. What is the name of this angle? ADC. ADB. ఇక్కడ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ పేరు ADB. ఇక్కడ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ ADC. D is vertex here. So middle లో రాసాం. అంటే ADB equal to ADC into ఇది equal 90 degrees. ఇక్కడ మనకి 90 degrees వచ్చాయి. ఓకే, two angles equal. Two angles equal అంటే ASA group. A two angles one side equal. That means we can write ADB is congruent to tan ADC by SAS by SAS rule. Those are common. अब ये बच्चों, so AB equal to these two are congruent lines. The congruent lines అంటే corresponding parts ఏముంది ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతాయి. అంటే ఈ సైడ్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది, ఈ సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతాయి, ఈ సైడ్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతాయి. మనకు కావాల్సిన ఈ రెండు కావాలి. అంటే AB ఈక్వల్ టు AC by CP CT by CP CT by CP CT. అయితే ఇక్కడ మనకి చూడండి, మనకు కావాల్సిన AB ఈక్వల్ AC అని అనుకోండి, then ABC is so therefore tan ABCE is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Because two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. That is the answer. So we go for the third question. What is the third question here? Third question. Carefully hard to follow. Third question by following third question. Fourth one, fifth one, you have to complete. So fourth one, you have to compulsory complete. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BD and CE are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively show that these altitudes are equal. These altitudes are equal. What is the meaning of altitudes? That one is hard to know. Okay, like this triangle given. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, like this question given to you. What is the question here? See here, ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, in which altitudes means that means 90 degrees with opposite side. Okay, for this one we have drawing. That one makes 90 degrees. That one makes 90 degrees. For example, BD is altitude for AC. BD is altitude for AC means BD is perpendicular to AC. That means here 90 degrees will be formed. That one you have to remember. Perpendicular lines are called altitudes. Perpendicular lines we can call it altitudes or height. And CE is altitude of AB. CE is altitude of AB. That means this is perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. Okay, see here. By taking this one, what we have to prove? CD and draw to equal sides of AC and AB. An isosceles triangle ABC. The altitude BD and CE are drawn to equal sides of AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. What you have to prove? Show that altitudes are equal. That means we have to prove BD equal to CE. We have to prove that BD equal to CE. We have to prove. Okay, how we can prove? We have to see here. See here, any two times you have to take our is that one. Okay, any two times. I want to take these two times. These two times. Okay. What is the triangle? See ABC. Which type of triangle? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles means which sides are equal to have to take here. AB equal to C. AC. AB equal to AC. I want to take given triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is which triangle? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means AB equal to AC I am taking here. AB equal to AC. And we have to take these two angles. These two, this is one triangle I am taking. And one more triangle ACB. ABD. ABD one triangle I am taking. Which triangle I am taking? That one you have to remember. ABD. One triangle I am taking like this. ABD. ABD one triangle I am taking. Another triangle. Which triangle I am taking? That one you have to show here for understanding purpose only. Another triangle ACE. Another triangle is ACE. ACE. Like this. ACE. Like this triangle I take. ACE. ACE. And now compare. Corresponding sides we have to compare. You can see here AB equal to AC. Already we know. AB equal to AC. Given. This is given. AB equal to AC. Next, what is any angle common there? Can you observe? ABD triangle, ACE triangle. In these two, which angle common? Angle A is common. Angle A equal to angle E. Angle A equal to angle A. Common angle. Common angle. Common angle. How we are comparing? Same comparison only we will do for the fourth question. That's why I gave homework for you. Next. Angle A equal to angle A. Common angle. Angle A equal to angle A. Common angle. Next. This is the right angle. Here one side. This is the line. This is perpendicular. This 90 degrees means that side also 90 degrees will be formed. Similarly, this side also 90 degrees will be formed. That means what is the angle formed here? 90 only. What is the name of the angle? Angle ADB. What is the name of this angle? AEC. Both will be 90. AEC, ADB. Both will be 90. ADB equal to AEC. Both will be 90. Okay, see here. Two angles. One side equal. SAS, okay, triangle ABD. Triangle ABD is congruent to. Congruent symbol this one. Okay, like this. Equal to about this symbol. Okay, triangle ACE by using ASA congruence. ASA congruent. Okay, by these two are congruent. These two are congruent means corresponding parts are equal. And then these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. We require AB equal to AC only. Okay, we require what is have to require BD equal to C. So by BD equal to CE by CP CD by CP CD. Similarly, same solution only for the next question also, but comparison after what we can write AB equal to AC we can write for fourth question. Same solution only. Only this step only you have to change. That one you have to complete yourself. Fourth question. Now I will discuss fifth question. Fourth question only one. Same solution only. If you read the question, you can understand. చాలా ఈజీ హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చాము. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి and triangle BBC are two isosceles triangles. Two isosceles triangles. Two isosceles triangles on the same base. On the same base BC, show that angle ABD equal to ACD. Angle ABD equal to ACD. This is also very easy question only. These two sides are equal. ABC. Very simple question this is. Okay, these two are isosceles triangles. Okay, by using this one, ABD angle, ACD angle both are equal. We want to show. Okay, see here, ABC triangle if you take, ABC triangle if you take, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC. That means we have to take in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. Okay, so two sides are equal means base angles are equal. Base angles are equal. What is the angle here? ABC. What is the angle here? ACB. What is the middle of control? Okay, three letters it. That means we can write ABC equal to ACB. This is one. Go for the next triangle. Second triangle. In triangle BDC, which sides are equal? BD side, CD side. BD equal to DC. Then base angles what happened? Base angles are equal. Two sides are equal means base angles are equal. What is the name of this angle? DBC. What is the name of this angle? DCB. These two are equal. That means DBC equal to DCB. Very simple question. Identification of angle only. Now add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. What is adding 1 and 2 means? Equal to before parts we have to add. Equal to after parts we have to add. ABC plus DBC. Angle ABC plus DBC. Equal to before parts I added. Equal to after parts ACD plus DCB. Now we have to observe here ABC, DBC. Total angle what we can call? Shall we call ABC? This total angle we can call ABD. Shall we write instead of these ABD? Sum of these two we call ABD. Equal. These two angles ACD, DCB. Sum of these two angles, total angle. What is the angle? What is the name of this angle? ACD. Total angle. E angle and total angle ACD. Shall we write ACD? Yes, ACD. What is the required one? That only is required. That is the answer. Okay, today homework is we have to complete fourth question. Page number 163. Fourth question complete everyone. Fourth one. Once again do first question. 162 page first question do. This is only homework.